So bored. Nothing to do on smartphones, computer. Hey Zach, how is it inside? Can I have a look around inside? I'm going in.
Welcome, Yus! Please come to my humble abode. You'll see that you chose the right master ball, because this is indeed the Master Deluxe living quarters of your greatest Pokemon. So right over here you see I have my great entertainment system, you know, for when I'm just chilling at home. I got over, you know, over here we have our, you know, even us Pokemon have hobbies, so we like our animes, you know, and unfortunately, you know, it's a little bit crazy over there, but it's pretty good. Over here, you know, we got the toilets. You know, us Pokemon gotta take care of business. No Squirtles up in here, but come right this way. I'll show you where all the Poke cooking magic happens. You know, so we got over here. We got the nice gas burner. Ain't no Charizard down there, but it's still pretty good. We got over here. We got the connected to the freshest Squirtles. Oh yeah, that's that clean water. So and this is where the magic happens. I make all the good fruit for you. So welcome anytime, Yus. Try some of my tasty food.
So Zach, I've heard really good things about Arab hospitality. I don't mean to be demanding, but I'm really hungry right now.
Well, actually, Yus, you're right. Arabs have some of the greatest hospitality in the world. They're very well known for this. And I want to make you one of my favorite dishes called Kushari. It's from my home country of Egypt. But the problem is the ingredients are so hard to find. I need 7 or 8 different ingredients. And the fact that we're in Japan, it's just almost impossible to find. So unless you know a market that is like foreigner friendly and has a lot of different options for us, I don't think we're gonna be able to get those ingredients.
Actually, I know a place.
Oh, really?
Just follow me and you'll know.
Sounds like another adventure. Let's go.
Let's go.
You never know what could happen. It could all go wrong. I'm blinded. I'm a blind Pokemon. Ah! Should make a video and send it to my mother and tell her how much I miss her. That way she sees my tears. Already we've seen Thai people, Chinese people, Indian people, Korean people, of course. Okay, I feel like I've stepped into Korea. I'm surprised. I've never come here before. This is very crazy. Oh, lots of cute girls just walking around.
Like Japanese girls or Korean girls?
Ah, I think Korean girls are something special. Look at the juice is coming right off. That's pretty something, but it's perfectly crunchy, just the way I like my chicken. You can hear the crunch when I bite in.
Yeah, kill that.
Wow. Oh, I can smell it. This is it. Oh, we found it.
Oh, I smell your food.
Yeah.
Right, we're here.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the area of Shinokubo that has all the Middle Eastern food.
Okay, so what's the first step?
Okay, so first step will be taking the macaroni and go ahead and bring it to a boil. So we're just going to put it right in the pot. And then we'll add a little bit of salt so that way it doesn't stick together. Okay, and then step 2, we'll be taking the lentils. So it's half cup lentils. You'll take about a cup or 2 cups of water. For step 3, we're going to go ahead and take the rice and add it in with the lentils. Right there. Then we're going to go ahead and take our spices. So the paprika, the cumin, and the coriander. And then we're going to take the cups of water, so 2 cups of water to add in there so that it's the right amount compared to rice. So 1, 2. And we're going to go. Alright, so it looks like it's come to a boil, so we're going to go ahead and lower it down to simmer. And then we'll go ahead and add some salt and pepper before we close the lid to let it simmer. That's terrible. Go ahead and just pour it out. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start with the sauce, the tomato sauce. So we're going to get some of the olive oil. And then we're going to take the onions and put those in there. And let those fry up before we add in the other spices. Add in the spices, so we have a teaspoon of chili powder. We're going to add that in there, and then we'll go ahead and add some pepper, and then salt. Last but not least, we're going to add in garlic. There we go. Final step for the sauce is to go ahead and add in the tomatoes. So tomato sauce inside. There we go. And mix it up. And now to add in the chickpeas. It's a very important part. We're going to put it right on top of the rice. We don't need to cook them. We just need to get them nice and heated up. So we'll add them right there on top of the rice. Now we're going to go ahead and do the topping, which is the burnt onions. So same thing, we're going to take some olive oil, put it in the pan, and then we're going to take our chopped onions and just put them directly in there and let them fry up until they're a kind of black and brown color. So last but not least, this is to add a little extra kick in your kushari, if you will. You might consider like a Tabasco, but this is a sauce that some people will add on at the end. And so it's going to be vinegar. You're going to add the same part water. And then you're going to go ahead and add lemon juice. Followed by cumin. And then, of course, more garlic. Because as you haven't told already, or noticed, there's a lot of garlic in this recipe. Okay, so the background of kushari is in Egypt, it's a fast food. So it takes a long time to prepare, as you saw, but when you go to the shops, it's already ready. So basically you walk in there and you say, I want a bowl of kushari.
I can see and feel all the love that Jack put inside. It's my first poke meal as well. Let me dig in. Very interesting. I've never tasted something like this before.
Oh, it was tiring. I mean, there was a lot of different... You know what they say, the harder the journey, the sweeter the goal. And we got there together. I hope you got to learn something new about Egyptian food and culture, and I hope you can spread that to your friends as well one day. And we'll catch you next time.